I'm Braxton, and this is the first drink of the night.
Go.
This is me, I'm Fifi, and I have had...
No!
Hi, my name is Ollie, and this is my first drink.
Hi, I'm Jessie, and this is my first drink of the night. It's actually just
Hola, soy Nani, estoy casada y este es mi primer trago.
Johnny, this is my first drink.
Hi, I'm Matt. I'm a groomsman, and this is my first drink.
I'm the cousin of the bride, and this is my first drink of the night.
Hi, I'm the bride and this is my first drink.